Hi, hello friends. Welcome to our Skill Courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to create Facebook advertisement. So, let's discuss this topic until the end. So, I will go to Google Chrome. Then, I will type here Facebook ads. Facebook. You see, this is the first site, Facebook, and I will click on this site. Then this is my personal profile. Then I will click my this business profile over here. Then you see here, this my business profile get open over here. Then ad center, you see ad center. In ad center, you can manage your ads. How much reach should be there? How much people visit your advertisement? How much people get leads over here? You can see all this ad center in this. You can manage all these ads in ad center. Right now I want to create a ad, so I will click on this create ads. Then you see here, this like that page get open over here. You can see here, suppose here you see add your description over here. You see the description. I will add the descriptions. Then I will select this ad. Suppose if you want to select only one ad, to add on media, and then you can upload any kind of images from here. Suppose I have any kind of image, so I will upload from any kind of image from my computer or this kind of desktops. Suppose if you don't have any kind of image, so I don't have any kind of images or advertisement posters, so I will select this and then I will select. After that, you see here, I will send a message. If you want to send any kind of message, you can send a message. Suppose I will send call now button. I will click on call now buttons. Okay. Then I will give my this phone numbers over here. Request for a callback option. So I will check on these options. Then I will go to the audience. Select special ad category if you want to add. So you can add this. If you don't, you cannot. You can also check off this category also. So right now I'm check off this category, and you see audience detail. I will click on this audience details. So I will click on age 18 to 30. Okay, I will select the age 18 to 30. Okay, up to this. Then you should add your location. Suppose my location is in Pune, Maharashtra. So I will click on Pune, Maharashtra. Then I will save this audience. Okay. Suppose if you want to add in whole India, so you can add this on whole India. Okay. People you choose from targeting. So I will click on these options, and then you can also change the location and targeting also. Okay. Then you can see here next, estimated account and created account reach in per day. Suppose I will minimum up to 90 rupees, you can start this advertisement, or it goes up to the, okay, I will, you can see here how much people get reach over and how much people will link over your advertisement. So you can see here. Okay. So I will create 200 rupees. In 200 rupees, the people can go up to 3,000 to 8,000 of people. Out of that, the tier 2 160 people you will get the leads. Okay, your budget is 200 rupees GST, you can see here, and total budget you can see here. If you want to publish, you should have to first add the fund from here. You should add the funds from here. You can add the funds from here, debit card, UPI or net banking also. Suppose I will click on UPI option, then you can next it. Then after you have to make the payment, you can add your funds from here, and then you can publish it. After publish this ad, your ad will get show or run in Facebook and Instagram account also. So this is the way you can publish your ad or create the ad in Facebook. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.